Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. We're going to start off a little different today. Today I want to know what you know about two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. So I'm going to call you up and have you draw for me a couple of shapes up here on the whiteboard. Okay? Now, any shapes that you want, come. But remember, I'm going to call out your name first, okay? So don't get up. I'll call you and just raise your hand, and then you can come up here and we can start drawing some two-dimensional shapes or three-dimensional shapes. Any shapes that you want, okay? We're going to start. Let me see. Okay, Isabella. Okay, go ahead. Remember, you're drawing any shapes that you want. And try to draw them a little bit kind of big, that way the class can see from back there.
Like right here?
Yeah, you can just draw.
Okay.
Start. Okay, very good. Go ahead. Very good. Okay, you can sit down.
Okay.
And tell the class what you drew.
I do a rectangle.
A rectangle? What is it?
A rectangle.
Are you sure? Take another look. Let's see. How many points does it have?
3.
Okay, so remember if it's 3, it's
Triangle.
very good, a triangle. Good job, Isabella. Go ahead and sit down. Very good. Okay, now let's see. Who else? Okay, Maria, come up here and draw. Draw something for us. Very good, Maria. Okay, go ahead and let's have someone else try it. And right now, I'll explain to you what this is. But first, let's move on. Okay, David, come up here and draw something for me. And you remember any shapes that you want. Very good. Okay, so class, so far we have 3 different ones, but the first one Isabella did over here, remember that's a triangle. A triangle. Isabella confused it at first with a rectangle, but that's perfectly fine. But remember, triangle, these are two-dimensional shapes. So two-dimensional shapes, in other words, are flat shapes. Now, anything, if you think about it, what else is, why are shapes important? Where do you find shapes?
In school?
Very good, in school. Where else are shapes? Where else can you find shapes?
At the house?
At your house. Very good. Excellent. So, boys and girls, that's one thing that I want to mention to you. I'm going to tell you. Shapes are found everywhere. Everywhere, even right behind me. If you take a look at the whiteboard, what shape is that?
Rectangular.
It's a rectangle. Very good. It's rectangular. You're correct. It's rectangular. But the shape is called a rectangle. Now, a rectangle is flat. Since it's flat, it's a two-dimensional shape. So remember, boys and girls, anything that you can write on a piece of paper are two-dimensional shapes, 2D shapes. So, for example, I meant two-dimensional. Okay? Now, let's see. There is another from two-dimensional. You also have three-dimensional. And that is one that Maria, over here, you can take a look. Maria drew. Let me ask Maria. Maria, what did you draw up here? What is this?
A cube.
Very good. Awesome job. That's a cube. Now, a cube, boys and girls, we still have not learned that much, but today we're going to talk about it more later on. A cube is a three-dimensional figure. And that's a three-dimensional figure. Maybe some of y'all have heard about 3D. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard, or most of you have heard, 3D. For example, when you go to the theaters, how many of you have gone and seen or heard about a 3D movie? You? Okay, Isabella, tell us, what is a 3D movie, or what happens in a 3D movie?
Sometimes they give you the 3D glasses,
And what do you see?
and if you put them on the movie, if something comes forward, it looks like it's coming toward you.
Very good, yes. So when you're watching a 3D movie, you're there, and they give you special glasses in the theater to wear, right? So when you're there seeing it, it seems like it's actually coming alive. Like if they throw, for example, a brick, then it seems like the brick is going to be thrown right at your face. So three-dimensional figures or shapes, remember, a figure and a shape means the same thing. So you might hear three-dimensional figures or shapes, or 3D shapes, or 3D figures. It's the same word, okay? But, so then when you see that, like for example, saying in the movie, it makes it seem like it's coming to life. And boys and girls, we live in a three-dimensional world. That's where we live. Because we're not flat. I'm not painted on the wall or painted on the whiteboard. No, we live in a world that's a 3D world. Why? Because there's shapes, there's stuff around us that you can't see. You can sit in a chair, right? You can sit in a chair. You won't slide off or anything. You can sit in a chair. So, then, today, like I said, this is a cube. And the cube is three-dimensional. So today we're going to learn a little bit more about what makes really the difference between the two-dimensional and the three-dimensional.